Hey dear friends, welcome to fishbowlproduction. I figured I would do a quick unboxing of a LED flashlight, and I bought this again over right before Black Friday. We were on a Halloween night when we were outside going trick or treating with my daughter. We were out in the dark, crossing the roads, and fortunately, one of our family friends happened to have a flashlight, so he was flashing the lights to the oncoming cars to make sure that they noticed us as we crossed the street. Again, we were still doing it very safely, but I figured something like this would be very handy to have in the house, which again I have always wanted to have one, but yeah, as an emergency or just in the car. So I figured I would buy this one to just get a feel for how good this one is. There were a lot of reviews on Amazon for this one, the GearLight LED Tactical Flashlight S1000, made in China. But it comes inside the box. It comes with this flashlight. Feels pretty sturdy.
Can I hold it?
Yes.
Ooh, it feels like I'm holding a mic.
Yeah, it does. Okay, it does feel like you're holding a mic. You're right. And then comes with a set of batteries, and then I guess some card and stuff. But let me open it. Actually, let me do a couple things here. So I think you can change the focus of the light using this extension mechanism right here. The batteries go on the back. The clicks feel pretty good. Again, this was about $6 with shipping and everything, so
Dad?
Not bad at all. So here's that. Yes.
Should we try it out in
The darkness?
In the darkness, like in the bathroom.
I think
something?
so. We can. Alright. Gonna remove the batteries first of all. And then let's make sure the batteries go.
Doing one?
Yes. You gotta come here.
Oh. Sorry, Paul. Thinking I can't do this right now. I've got somewhere I need to be.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm here.
Yeah.
Let's see. Ow.
You okay?
Yes.
Alright, let's go right in.
And I think that
Okay.
goes. You just put it in.
And then you put that on. And then we go clickety clack.
Dad!
It's very bright outside right now, but but I can
everyone
show you how it works during nighttime, in the evening tonight. But you can get it to focus. Yeah, you can. Oh, look at that square light,
Oh. Wow.
or broad. But anyways, this feels like a pretty good light. You can hold it in your hands like that, I guess. And then if you want to turn it off, just do that. But again, for $6, I guess it's a good buy. But again, we'll have to see. It actually says right here. It's like zoom out, zoom in, 1x, 250x, 500, and 2000x, I guess. We're just gonna use this as a light
Dad, I'm obsessed
inside
with
the
this
car.
poppy thing.
Okay. And can you show what you're obsessed with?
This thing. I love to pop it.
I know. It's funny how the world works, because when I was your age, used to be obsessed with the same thing too. Like this was so much fun. Yeah, we would get a bunch of these and then just go like a popcorn. Yeah, so we all love the same things, I guess. All right.
That's because
That is
I'm
all
your daughter.
that is all for today's video. I would put the link for this in the description below if you want to check it out. But we will see you in the next video, and please stay healthy and safe. go see if I can see the park. Okay, there's a park behind my house. Let's go see if I don't want to wake anybody up, of course, but let's go see if we can see the park.